see. Think you know your girl is so funny to be. That's why you think I
Hi baddies, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite influencer, Kierstinsimonemgmt, and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, today we are doing a hair video sponsored by UNICEHAIR or UNICEHAIR. I love working with UNICE, and this package was bigger than the first package I got before. So that means we have some goodies in here. Today I will be demonstrating how to install a Vpart wig. No glue, no spray, no hassle, super beginner friendly, super easy. So if you are interested in watching me install this Vpart wig from UNICEHAIR, keep on watching. So of course this is the box, you guys. This is what the box is looking like, and like I said, it's a little bit more hefty than the first box I received. So your girl got some gifts in here. So let's see. Yep, falling out the package. We got some good stuff in here. So this is what's in the box. We have our 24-inch Vpart wig, body wave, hair disinfected, period per. Oh, she looks nice. Let's see what else we got in here, because girl, we got some gifts. Okay, so first they gave me this cute little UNICE this cute little pen, and they gave your girl a box of goodies though. You know, they send me a nice cute goodie bag. This is what I got the first time. This is all I got the first time, okay? This is all I got. So we got a wig cap, of course, elastic band, eyelashes. You know, I'm not a 25mm girl anymore, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to give these away. But and they gave me this is a foundation brush, so I use this brush to put on like the lace parts when they send me lace. So this is just the first little package. This is just the first little goodie bag, but it's more stuff in here. So am I official? Am I official? Girl, UNICE done sent your girl the UNICE robe. Oh my god, y'all. Girl, I ain't never got a robe from a wig company. Like, they sending me the PR stuff, honey. Yep, we gonna put it on, cause I mean, why not? Like, so this is what she looks like. She's full. Has 4 clamps at the top, 2 combs, 1 at the bottom, and then another comb, and then adjustable band. So she's not gonna go anywhere at all. So what I'm gonna start off by doing is sectioning my hair. So I said I was gonna do a middle part, so I like to start by finding out where my middle part is actually. I'm gonna go ahead and section that part out. So now I like to go maybe where the arch of my eyebrow is, and I just go straight back. And this is what I'm considering to be this side of my leave out, basically. And then you can just kind of measure where how much leave out you want. My hair is typically a little bit shorter, so I like to have a little bit more leave out. But I might just do this in half because that might be a little too much. And I'm just going to measure it out. And the good thing about a V-part wig or a U-part wig is if you have too much hair, too little hair, or too little hair, girl, just unclip it and then just put enough hair that you want. So this is what I mean by super easy, super beginner friendly, and you don't have to do much in order to install a V-part wig. Okay, so now that I pretty much have the top portion sectioned out, I'm just going to section it off, and we aren't going to worry about the top portion right now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out my edges. And like I said, my edges are pretty short, so I do take out a lot of edge just so that it can cover the tracks. And guys, before we get into actually installing it, make sure we unclip the clips. All right, now that we have her somewhat secured on the head, I am going to feel those clips that are inside and start to bring those clips into my hair. And so now that we have the wig clips on, I'm just going to take these clips and lock them in right where I have my section parted off. And boom, she's on. She's secure. And that was literally installing the V-part wig. Literally that easy. And look at her, she's thick, she's fluffy. I love this. This is an everyday, you can put on, take off, you know what I'm saying? And she's very, very sturdy. She's not coming off. Now we can get into the styling portion of the video. So I wanted to do a middle part. And so I'm just gonna take this out. And then of course, you're just going to section off your hair once more. And then we're gonna start to style it. Like, she is really full. Like, why would I straighten this? Come on. Why would I straighten this? And now that I have my hair sectioned off into the part that I wanted, I am going to move on to how to actually blend the hair. How I like to blend my leave outs, I like to go in with a styling foam. This is the 𝒑𝕠𝕝𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. This is the 𝒑𝕠𝕝𝕤𝕤𝕤 styling foam from Aveda. I love Aveda products. This basically just adds shine, it's weightless, and it adds volume to your hair. So if you have natural hair, this is a good hack. You want to get a nice styling foam. You want to put the styling foam on your leave out, let the styling foam dry on your head, and then you will see how slick your hair comes out to be when you are using styling foam. This is the key to a great leave out if you have natural hair. I'm just going to, of course, just put that on top of my head. right, y'all, so now that we are completely dry, she's straight, she blends, she has some weight to her. Now I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the top portion of my head to blend it with the actual weave. Okay, now that I have somewhat straightened out my leave out, now we're gonna go into overtime and we're going to go ahead and freeze wax our hair down with the hot comb. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is what the hair looks like. It looks super natural, super easy. It didn't take any time at all. Again, thank you UNICEHAIR for sponsoring this video today. This wig or this V-part wig details will be in the description box below on how you can purchase this V-part wig. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of the baddie cartel, period. And I will see you guys in the next video.